If you go right after that last word that you used, you alter the text to alter the font text. It's gonna go based off of that altered font text selection. So I'll give you another example. Mad. I'm gonna change this to Times New Roman. You highlight it, go into your fonts. I'm gonna choose Times New Roman. Now Mad is now in font Times New Roman. Now after that, you hit space, and it's gonna still be typing in Times New Roman. Oh, sorry. It's gonna be typing in Times New Roman, as you see. So after that particular section, even though you hit space, you'll type in that last font area, that last font change you did in that particular area, and you hit space, or you start adding on, it'll still be in that same font size, that same font text. How to change your font size. When you open up Microsoft Word, it will always start off at font size 11. There's different size fonts that you can do. So I'm going to type something in. The dog is hungry. So you can highlight the text and click on font size. Choose your font size. So it starts off the lowest in the spectrum. In the spectrum that you can choose from is 8 to 72. See how big it got? 8 to 72. So you could choose, okay, choose those text. I'm gonna choose 24. See how big it gets? The higher the number in value, the increased size you'll get. So the max size that you can choose from the drop down menu is 72, but it can go higher than that. You actually can go up here, highlight this, change it to whatever size you can imagine. Let's just say I want to make this whole sentence size 99. I want to make this size 99. Boom. It's font size 99. But in the drop down menu, it does not offer that. So you have to type that in the font menu. You also could put sizes smaller than that. You could put 12.55. Oh, it's not also like 12. Sorry, it's 12.5. You could select your text again. You can go to this. You can type in the number size font you want. 12 point. Sorry, 12.5. You can change it to 12.5. But you only there's a limited size font you can do. So you can't go typing in something one size 1000 and expect it to have a size 1000 font. And the same rules apply as I showed you with the font text. The last font you use is the last font that is going to start you off from. So say if I change the to 14, now I'm making noticeable. 21. You're going off that last selected area, and then you hit space, and it's gonna put things. Sorry. It's gonna go off that last area that you typed in. See how all that text is in size 24? It's gonna go off that particular area you selected and highlighted. for you to change your font size. But what if you have different fonts, but you want to convert them into all the same size? So I'm going to give you an example. Let's make dog 26. Let's make this size 10. Now these are completely different size fonts. You can highlight the whole thing and make it all one size font. So you don't. So even though dog's in, I forgot what number it was, 28 or 22, something like that, you can choose this. Once you highlight, even though everything's in different font sizes, you can highlight the whole thing and it'll convert it into one size font. Again, this can be, the dog can be size 45, and this can be size 16. You just have to highlight the whole area that you want to convert into one particular sized font. So you can type in, you want it everything to be font size 16. So everything's font size 16. So there's different size fonts. You can type in 12. But you cannot be doing this. Expect the 1000 size font to fit. See, the numbers must be between 1 to 1638. You cannot type in ridiculously large numbers. It will not be able to produce a font like that, and there's probably no font size out there that's that big, and there would be no need for it. So I showed you how to convert everything into one font size. Also, when your document starts up playing, like when you open it, you can automatically go into your thing, like I showed you, to do the start off whatever text you wanted, start off typing in. You can do that with font too, and everything will be in that particular font. I'm going to show you how to cut and paste now. I think everyone, if you're watching this video, you've already used cut and paste before. So I'll do it right now. I'm going to show you how to cut. You can rip text out of web browsers. All you do is highlight the specific text. This applies to all computers. If you're using a Linux machine, Mac OS X, Mac OS 10, Windows 7, Windows 95, it doesn't matter which one you were using. All the rules apply. Once you highlight a specific text, say if I just want to highlight link, the word link. I highlight the word link, right click on copy, go back to your word processor, which is Microsoft Word 2010, hit right, click on it until you see this. You have to make sure you see this, the flasher, this indicating that you are ready to text something in. You right click on paste. Wait a minute, I think I didn't copy it. Right click, keep on the text, you can just paste in the text. And this little option gives you the option to do this. Keep text only. That means whatever you just copy, you only keep the text.